Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. So I know that I have not been uploading anything for like the past 2 days. I am vlogging today. I do have a doctor's appointment. Hopefully everything goes good and I get good news and everything is fine and stuff like that. It is at 10:10 and it's 9:40. I just had to stop and go to the bathroom because I really had to go. I was not gonna make it if I hadn't stopped. So it's just me and Grecia today. I did get some wafer cookies because I'm hungry, and for some reason now if I don't eat anything in the morning, I'll get nauseous. So I didn't even eat breakfast. I've just been drinking water. This is my second cup of water this morning and it's before 10 o'clock. So I'm drinking so much water. Gas prices are going up again. They're $2.27. But we're gonna do that, go to the doctor, and then when I get home, I'm gonna edit the gingerbread house video, so you guys are gonna see that before this video. And then I'm gonna probably upload a Boxycharm unboxing, my December Boxycharm. And then I'm probably just gonna fill you guys in on my symptoms and what's been happening and how I've been feeling so far, because I haven't given you guys like a proper update or anything. And then I burned the crap out of my finger. I don't know, like this finger right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, where it's like white. That is a burn. So we're gonna do that. I'll let you guys know what the doctor tells me today, and we're just gonna vlog. I have a very long day ahead of me, so today's vlog is going to be interesting. Bert did go back to work already from his days off, so you guys won't be seeing him as much. Alright, so freaking 2 hours later, we're done. It took life literally forever to get out of there. It took them 2 hours to call me, and I am starving. We hadn't even eaten breakfast, just the little, I ate like 4 wafer crackers. Grecia ate like half a honey bun. Everything went well.
Mommy, want water.
Oh, here you go, my love. We did hear the baby's heartbeat and stuff. It sounded really far away, but we did hear it. The doctor said that it was just because I'm only 12 weeks, so the baby is still very, very small. But he was like, do you want to do a sonogram or not? He was like, because as long as you can hear the heartbeat, then everything is fine. So I just told him, like, if you say everything's fine, then it's fine. The heartbeat was fast, like it was strong. It was just very, very faint to pick up on the Doppler. But other than that, I told him that I didn't have any other symptoms except for like itchy breasts, and the soreness of my breasts still has not gone away. So everything is fine. I needed to go, well, I don't have to stop anywhere because I'm gonna have to come back in a couple days to do the blood work for the genetic testing, and then to find out the gender and stuff like that. So I think I can just get this stuff whenever I come back, because I don't want to stop today. I have to literally go home, edit 2 videos and post them, and then Grecia has dance class this afternoon, so I'm gonna have to edit them really fast and then take her to dance class and probably upload them tonight, hopefully. So I'm like on a time crunch, sort of. About the gender, I'm not going to have them tell me what it is because Bert really wants to do a gender reveal. I honestly don't want to have one, just because we didn't have one with Grecia. We just had the doctors tell us what it was, but it was very hard with her because she didn't let us see what she was until I was like, I think I was like past 20 weeks already. Every time we got a sonogram done, she always had her legs closed. And then the one time they were able to see. They were like, it looks like a girl, but we could be wrong, so don't get your hopes up on it being a girl. So we were just like, is it a girl or is it not a girl? So we didn't even know until far later. And today the doctor was like, you can come in a couple days, get the blood work done, but most people don't do it because they have to take out 6 tubes of blood. And I was like, I'll do it. He goes, you're willing to, like, for them to do all that? And I was like, I just want to know already. Even though if we do the gender reveal, it's not going to be done until Christmas Day or the day after Christmas. We haven't really talked about it yet, but I know it won't be until those days. Or maybe even until Grecia's birthday. What?
Christmas starting today.
Yeah. I don't know if we'll do the reveal on Grecia's birthday on the 27th. I don't know yet. We don't know when that's gonna happen, but it'll be around those days. So that's the deal with that. We're going to pick up, I kind of want Chick-fil-A. I kind of want, you want Chick-fil-A or Whataburger?
Don't like Whataburger.
What?
Chick-fil-A.
You want Chick-fil-A?
No!
What do you want?
I don't like it with peanut butter.
There's no peanut butter. Silly goose.
Peanut butter.
Oh my god, and there's so much traffic today. I hate driving. So we're going to stop somewhere and get food, and then we will go home. Yes, can I have a number 13?
With gravy, ranch, any mustard or barbecue?
No sauce.
Okay, and the drink?
Could I replace the drink with a strawberry shake? And then can you also add an extra strip, please?
Okay.
And then from the kids menu, hold on. Do you want the chicken strips or the nuggets? Chicken strips? The nuggets. From the kids menu, can I have the chicken bites?
Okay, with gravy, ranch, any mustard or barbecue?
No sauce.
And the drink?
Sprite.
With a chocolate chip cookie, same cookie or the gummies?
The cookie's fine.
Okay.
And that's it.
Okay, I have a 13 with a strawberry shake and an extra chicken strip, and I have the 4 bites with a Sprite and a chocolate chip cookie.
Yes.
Any apple pies you don't have size for your order?
No, that's it.
Okay, 1533. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm extra hungry, you guys, so I ordered an extra strip and a strawberry shake. Oh my god. Pilot obviously can't hang. I was really hoping she would wait till we got home to take a nap because I'm so sleepy before dance class, but no, she decided to nap. It's 2:09. We're like 15 minutes away from the house, so I'm hoping that she stays asleep so that at least I can nap for like 15 minutes. It's gonna be a struggle to take her down, like to carry her, but we can do it, hopefully. Are you ready? She's kind of mad though. She didn't nap. She woke up almost as soon as I put her down in the bed, but we're going to dance already. Tell them we're in dance class.
Practice.
And we're waiting in the car.
Well, why are we in the car?
Because your teacher's not here yet. But I wanted to let you guys know that I was able to edit the gingerbread house video. The other one I'm going to, well, I'm gonna upload that one to, like, as soon as I get home, I'm gonna upload it. And then I'm going to edit the second video that's gonna go up tonight. So I'm uploading 2 videos to yesterday. I'm gonna be uploading 2 videos yesterday, whatever. So yeah. Okay guys, so we just got home from dance class. It's 6:30 right now. Whoa, it's super bright. But I think I'm going to go ahead and end out the vlog. I didn't vlog at dance class because we cannot be in there with the girls, but they do have their little Christmas recital party thing next week. So if they do dance and it is allowed, I will show you guys that. So that's gonna be super cute. But I think that's pretty much it for this daily Vlogmas video, because we're literally not gonna do anything. Tomorrow the plan is to clean the house, like spick and span, clean it up if my energy helps me at all. That's the plan. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and end out this vlog just so that I can go ahead and upload the 2 videos that you guys are gonna see the day before this one, because I have missed a couple days. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Peace.